Whoa, 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 you nearly hit me, but you nearly hit Wilfred.
Oh, no, not Wilfred. You're right. Oh, he's still half naked. He never wears that top we got him.
He never does he?
No.
Talking about tops, you've got a nice shirt on. You're all dressed up.
Oh, I am. Thank you very much. Oh, you're as well. Are you going out somewhere or something?
Actually, I've got a little secret for you.
Oh.
I'm a secret agent.
Alright, secret for a secret. I'm a secret agent as well.
Does that mean, are you in that mission with the... and the cheese?
No, I'm in the mission of the... and the crackers.
Oh,
Yeah.
I know what you're on about.
Yeah.
So, sometimes people ask us to do an exam question for them.
Yep, sometimes they ask us to do an entire exam, but this time...
we've been asked to do an entire course.
So on to that.
Yep, it's GCSE Maths, and we're doing it from this book, which is an edXL book.
It is, and it's a revision workbook. Sort of book about us.
Yeah, I didn't know you wrote books.
Oh, I do. It's coming out this time next year.
I'll look forward to that.
Same.
So the first thing in this is factors and primes. If you're doing OCR or AQA, it might be in a jumbled up order.
But
There might
same
even
stuff.
be chapters we don't do, but it's all transferable, and you can ask us questions too.
Oh,
So,
Wayne, what's a factor?
it's a good question.
It is a good question.
So, a factor is something that multiplies to go into something. So if we have the example of the number 20, the factors would be the numbers that multiply together to make the product.
Yeah, so we have 2 and 10.
Each of these would be called a factor.
They would, and 4 and 5.
So there's 4 factors for the number 20. And you can do this with all integers. What's an integer?
Oh, it's a whole number, no decimal points.
Very good. Now, another question. I know I'm firing them at you at the minute, but what's a prime?
Is that Transformer?
No, that's some sort of Optimus. I'm
Oh, yeah.
getting confused.
I think it's a special sort of number, Wayne.
It is indeed.
Sort of... it's related to factors quite closely, but a prime number is a number that can only be divided by itself and 1. Do you have a pen?
I do, there you go.
Oh, fantastic. Like... 3.
The only numbers that go into 3 is 1 and 3.
Yeah. That's what you know about prime numbers, but they tie in a really nice way, and that's how it comes up in your exam.
It is. They tie in a neat little tree kind of way.
You're good at trees, Wayne.
I'm good at tree. I did performing arts at GCSE. I can be a great tree. Give me a cue. Give me a cue.
Tree. Oh, that's a lovely tree, Wayne.
Thank you.
Alright.
So, the number 60 is a nice example.
It is a nice example. So first, you think of some of the bigger factors for it.
In this case, I can think of 30 times 2.
I think that's a good one.
20 times
Yeah.
3, but I'll go with that one. And you do a little tree like
yeah,
that.
like there'd be branches, and you'd have 30 on the end of one, and 2 on the end of the other.
Now, when you get to a prime number, you stop because you can't divide it by anything else.
You can't, so
And you can do a little circle. Because that can only be divided by 1 and 2. You stop there. This one can still be going even further.
So we do.
So you can have 2 and 15.
You could.
You've got a second number there that's a prime. It's the same as before, but it's still a prime.
This can be divided again, and 5 and 3 times together make that.
And each of these, you'll notice, is a prime number.
Yeah. And the way this question sort of asks it is, it says, write 60 in the form of its prime factors.
It does. So the final answer would be all of these times together. 2 times 2 times 5 times 3 equals 60. And you can check that on a calculator, that
Yep.
works.
And it does work. And that's pretty much primes and factors.
It is. So you need to know to recognise your primes.
Yeah.
Also in this, try and divide by 2 where possible, because that takes you
Yeah.
straight to a prime, and then you can see how you can go down
Oh,
quicker.
so smaller numbers much quicker. Yeah. And for this series, it's going to be a mishmash of loads of little videos.
Yes, so they'll all be very short videos, and if you have a question on any of the however many videos we do,
Yeah.
you can leave a comment in the comments below on YouTube.
Yep, or you can contact us on Facebook and we'll answer a question. With a video, maybe.
You might. So we're here to help you at your GCSEs, as the first in our series, and we'll see you at the next one.
Hey, look, helicopter's coming down.
Get it,
Get it.